How to redeem Lululemon gift card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and go to lululemon.com and make sure to log into your account. Then you can add all of your favorite items to cart and then click on the cart icon. Once you click on it, here if you want to check out, you want to click on the checkout option. Once you do that, you will have to enter your contact information and your shipping address. After entering all the information, you want to scroll down and click on Go to Next Step. Now on the next step, you have to add your payment method. So here you can add your PayPal information or your credit card information. Now to use your gift card, click on Add a Lululemon gift card. Then over here, you want to add the gift card number. Then add the PIN number. Now click on the apply option, and after that you can finish up all the other process of placing the order, and this is how you can redeem Lululemon gift card online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.